Welcome to the Art of Education. Coal and petroleum. Coal. Coal is a black or brownish-black sedimentary rock that is primarily composed of carbon, along with variable quantities of other elements, such as hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and nitrogen. It is formed from the remains of plants that lived and died millions of years ago, and it is used as a fossil fuel for energy production. Key points. Formed from plant remains subjected to high pressure and temperature over millions of years. Found in underground seams or coal beds. Major types include anthracite, bituminous, and lignite. Used mainly for electricity generation, steel production, and as a fuel source. Formation process. Coal forms through the process called carbonization, which involves the decomposition of plant material in swampy areas over millions of years. Types of coal. Anthracite, highest carbon content, hard and shiny, burns cleanly. Bituminous, middle carbon content, most commonly used for electricity production. Lignite, lowest carbon content, soft and brown, used mainly for electricity. Peat, the earliest stage of coal formation, not yet coal but has similar properties. Uses of coal. Electricity generation, thermal power plants. Steel production, coke is used in blast furnaces. Manufacture of chemicals and pharmaceuticals. Domestic heating and cooking in some areas. Petroleum. Petroleum, also known as crude oil, is a naturally occurring liquid found beneath the Earth's surface that can be refined into various types of fuels and other products. It is formed from the remains of ancient marine organisms that have been subjected to heat and pressure over millions of years. Key points. Found in liquid form in underground reservoirs. Composed of hydrocarbons and other organic compounds. Extracted through drilling and then refined into products like gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and petrochemicals. Essential for transportation, heating, and the production of plastics and chemicals. Formation process. Petroleum forms from the remains of tiny sea plants and animals buried under layers of sediment and rock. Heat and pressure over millions of years transform these remains into liquid hydrocarbons. Extraction and refining. Extraction, drilling wells into underground reservoirs. Refining, fractional distillation separates crude oil into components like gasoline, diesel, and kerosene. What is coal? How is it formed? Coal is a fossil fuel that is formed from the remains of plants that lived and died millions of years ago, when parts of the earth were covered with huge swampy forests. Over millions of years, layers of dead plants were buried under water and dirt. Heat and pressure turned the dead plants into coal.